An introduction to ChatGPT. What is the future role of ChatGPT? 1. Increased accuracy. 2. Improved scalability. 3. Multilingual support. 4. Improved speed. 5. More specific use cases. 6. Improved interpretability. 7. Compatibility with other technologies. 8. Security and privacy. How does the ChatGPT tool work? 1. Generating text. 2. Dialogue generation. 3. Language translation. 4. Text summarization. 5. Text classification. 6. Question answering. 7. Text completion. ChatGPT's benefits for businesses. 1. Cost savings. 2. Enhanced efficiency. 3. Better customer service. 4. Increased engagement. 5. Fast response times. 6. Automated conversation. 7. Natural language processing. 8. Scalability. Examples of ways to utilize ChatGPT at the workplace. 1. Automate customer service. 2. Automate interviews. 3. Create a virtual assistant. 4. Generate reports. 5. Answer frequently asked questions. The best ways to use ChatGPT in business. 1. Choose your chatbot platform carefully. 2. Design conversational flows. 3. Test and optimize the chatbot. 4. Monitor and measure performance. 5. Integrate with existing systems. 6. Educate the bot. Recommended methods for introducing ChatGPT in businesses. 1. Have a clear goal for your chatbot. 2. Choose the right platform. 3. Train your chatbot. 4. Monitor chatbot performance. 5. Respond to user feedback. How does ChatGPT differ from other AI programs and what precisely does it do? Limitation of ChatGPT. 1. ChatGPT lacks contextual understanding. 2. ChatGPT requires a large amount of training data. 3. ChatGPT is limited to short conversations. When ChatGPT succeeds and where it fails. How to trick the ChatGPT. Conclusion. An introduction to ChatGPT. Using ChatGPT, or generative pre-trained transformer, which uses artificial intelligence, computers may mimic human discussions. It creates an interactive and interesting conversational experience with a user using machine learning algorithms and natural language processing (NLP). ChatGPT can be used for customer service, personal assistant applications, automated customer support, and more. By understanding user intent and context, ChatGPT can provide accurate and personalized responses to user inquiries. What is the future role of ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a cutting-edge language generation model that OpenAI is constantly updating and improving. Here are a few ways in which the ChatGPT tool may continue to evolve in the future. 1. Increased accuracy. As more data is collected and the model is fine-tuned on specific tasks, the accuracy and coherence of the generated text are likely to improve. Multitask training provides advanced accuracy for ChatGPT, allowing models to learn better from multiple objectives and therefore speak more naturally. This year, expect to see more implementations of multitask training as businesses strive for higher accuracy levels and faster queries. Companies that leverage this trend will be able to gain an edge over the competition, leading to better customer experiences and improved chatbot accuracy. 2. Improved scalability. As the model is optimized for larger-scale language generation tasks, it will be able to handle more complex and larger inputs, making it more versatile. To stay competitive, businesses must utilize technology that reduces costs as much as possible. In 2023, expect to see improved scalability and reduced costs thanks to advancements in model optimization techniques. From distributed training and AutoML machine learning models to batching techniques and earlier dropping, these technologies provide a fast, scalable solution without breaking the bank. As a result, businesses of all sizes can enjoy more efficient implementations with lower costs. 3. Multilingual support. OpenAI is working on models that support multiple languages. This will make ChatGPT more useful for businesses and individuals looking to communicate with people who speak different languages. To stay competitive, businesses need to make sure they are catering to customers worldwide. ChatGPT supports this by enabling multilingual support without requiring any extra effort on the customer's part. This allows users to converse in their language and GPT agents can effectively respond in whatever language they prefer, giving them a more personal experience. With the advancements in natural language processing expected in 2023, businesses should consider implementing multilingual support for their customers. 4. Improved speed. With more powerful hardware and optimized algorithms, the model will be able to generate text at a faster rate, making it more useful for real-time applications such as chatbots or dialogue systems. One of the key trends to watch out for in 2023 is the increased speed of natural language processing. The more quickly GPT agents can process user utterances and respond, the better customer experience it can offer. This will enable businesses to use chatbots on multiple channels such as websites, apps, and social media platforms to increase their customer service reach. Additionally, these advancements will also allow for more complex dialogue tracking capabilities so that chatbot conversations are smoother, resulting in higher customer satisfaction. 5. More specific use cases. As the model is fine-tuned on specific tasks and domains, it will become increasingly specialized, making it more useful for specific use cases. With the increased speed of natural language processing in ChatGPT, businesses will be able to take advantage of more specific use cases. For example, customer service agents will be able to quickly access and respond to frequently asked questions from customers as well as more difficult queries by looking up customer knowledge databases and customer-specific data generated from back-end systems and AI algorithms. This can enable instant customer service 24/7 and automate large parts of the process to minimize cost. 6. Improved interpretability. With ChatGPT, artificial intelligence can now interpret natural language more accurately than before. This improved interpretability means that developers can use the same AI technology to create more complex and sophisticated conversational experiences. By taking into account the context of conversations and user behaviors, ChatGPT's advanced capabilities enable bots to recognize even subtle nuances in language and respond appropriately. By interpreting user intentions more accurately, the technology could become an invaluable asset for creating robust AI-powered chatbots for many different applications. 7. Compatibility with other technologies. ChatGPT is designed to easily integrate with existing conversational solutions, such as bots and virtual assistants. As a result, developers can quickly enhance their existing bot solutions with the technology without requiring extensive development resources or time. This compatibility makes it easier for companies to build on their existing solutions and create unique AI-powered chatbots that can understand and react to user needs in real time. 8. Security and privacy. ChatGPT provides a secure and private space for conversations. It uses AI to detect malicious content, spam, and censorship to offer a safe environment free from interference or manipulation. Additionally, ChatGPT does not store personal data or transmit it to any third party. All communication with users is encrypted and stored locally to protect the privacy of users at all times. How does the ChatGPT tool work? ChatGPT is an effective language generation model that may be applied to a range of NLP applications, such as 1. Generating text. ChatGPT may produce text that appears human. This can be used for writing, content creation, and other applications. 2. Dialogue generation. ChatGPT can generate responses in a conversation-like manner, making it useful for building chatbots and virtual assistants. 3. Language translation. ChatGPT can be fine-tuned for language translation tasks, which can be useful for chatbot or customer service applications. 4. Text summarization. ChatGPT can be fine-tuned for text summarization tasks, which can be useful for news articles, long documents, and other texts. 5. Text classification. ChatGPT can be fine-tuned for text classification tasks, which can be useful for sentiment analysis, intent recognition, and other NLP applications. 6. Question answering. ChatGPT can be fine-tuned for question answering tasks, which can be useful for chatbots and customer service applications. 7. Text completion. ChatGPT can be fine-tuned for text completion tasks, which can be useful for predictive text input and other applications. It is important to note that the quality of the output depends on the quality of the data you use to fine-tune the model, the amount of fine-tuning, and the specific use case. Hire dedicated developers. ChatGPT's benefits for businesses. 1. Cost savings. Offering assistance and customer care using ChatGPT may be done very affordably. With ChatGPT, businesses can reduce the number of customer service representatives needed to handle customer inquiries, which can help to reduce overhead costs. 2. Enhanced efficiency. ChatGPT can assist organizations in providing prompt and effective customer service. With ChatGPT, businesses can quickly respond to customer inquiries without waiting for customer service representatives. 3. Better customer service. Compared to conventional customer support approaches, ChatGPT can give clients a more customized experience. ChatGPT can help to provide customers with a more tailored response to their inquiries, which can help to improve customer satisfaction. 4. Increased engagement. ChatGPT can help to engage customers more interactively. Through ChatGPT, businesses can provide customers with a more engaging customer experience, which can help to improve customer loyalty. 5. Fast response times. ChatGPT is capable of responding quickly to incoming messages, making it well suited for real-time conversations. 6. Automated conversation. ChatGPT can autonomously generate conversation, reducing the need for manual intervention. 7. Natural language processing. ChatGPT is capable of understanding natural language and responding in a way that is meaningful to users. 8. Scalability. ChatGPT can be deployed in large-scale applications, making it ideal for enterprise-level applications. Examples of ways to utilize ChatGPT at the workplace. 1. Automate customer service. Use ChatGPT to create an automated customer service chatbot that can answer questions and provide customer service 24/7. 2. Automate interviews. Use ChatGPT to create a chatbot that can conduct interviews and ask questions to applicants. 3. Create a virtual assistant. Use ChatGPT to create a virtual assistant to help employees with tasks such as scheduling appointments, taking notes, and setting reminders. 4. Generate reports. Use ChatGPT to quickly generate reports based on data inputted into the system. 5. Answer frequently asked questions. Use ChatGPT to create an FAQ bot that can answer common questions asked by employees or customers. Chatbot concept illustration. The best ways to use ChatGPT in business. 1. Choose your chatbot platform carefully. Choosing the right chatbot platform for your business is key to successful implementation. Think about the platform's capabilities and features, as well as how it integrates with other technologies. 2. Design conversational flows. Design the conversational flow to ensure the user experience is natural and intuitive. Define the conversational paths that the user should take, and create flows that are simple, easy to understand, and quick to execute. 3. Test and optimize the chatbot. Test the chatbot to ensure it works as expected. Monitor user interactions and tweak the conversational flows and responses to optimize the user experience. 4. Monitor and measure performance. Monitor the performance of your chatbot and measure the success rate of conversations. Use analytics tools to analyze user behavior and identify areas of improvement. 5. Integrate with existing systems. Integrate the chatbot with existing systems to enable interaction with customer data and other applications. 6. Educate the bot. Develop the chatbot's intelligence so that it can answer user questions. Use natural language processing algorithms to better understand user intent and to provide useful responses. Recommended methods for introducing ChatGPT in businesses. 1. Have a clear goal for your chatbot. Before implementing any chatbot, it's important to have a clear goal in mind. This could include improving customer service, providing product recommendations, or even just providing basic information. 2. Choose the right platform. There are several chatbot platforms available, so it's important to choose the one that best fits your needs. Make sure to research the various platforms to see which one offers the features and integrations you need. 3. Train your chatbot. When implementing a GPT-based chatbot, it's important to properly train the bot on all relevant topics. This will guarantee that the chatbot can give users accurate and beneficial information. 4. Monitor chatbot performance. Once the chatbot is live, it's important to track its performance. This will help you identify areas of improvement and determine if any changes need to be made. 5. Respond to user feedback. Be careful you pay attention to consumer feedback and address any queries or issues that may arise. This will help ensure the chatbot is providing the best possible experience. How does ChatGPT differ from other AI programs and what precisely does it do? The natural language processing (NLP) technique known as ChatGPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, enables computers to comprehend and reply to human language in a conversational fashion. For language processing, it uses a deep learning technology called the transformer architecture. Compared to other AI algorithms, it is more able to understand and react to user input. Additionally, it can generate relevant responses to user queries without the need for predefined responses. Limitation of ChatGPT. 1. ChatGPT lacks contextual understanding. ChatGPT is only able to generate responses based on the input given by the user. It is not able to understand the context of the conversation, making it difficult to have natural conversations. 2. ChatGPT requires a large amount of training data. ChatGPT requires a large amount of training data to generate accurate responses. If the training data is sparse, it might not be able to produce reliable replies. 3. ChatGPT is limited to short conversations. Because ChatGPT has a limited capability for processing extended chats, it can only handle brief talks. This makes it difficult to have extended conversations that require multiple turns. When ChatGPT succeeds and where it fails. ChatGPT is an artificially intelligent chatbot that communicates with people by utilizing machine learning and natural language processing. ChatGPT excels in providing intelligent and natural-sounding conversations. It can comprehend normal language and give genuine answers to inquiries. It may also be used in customer service to provide customers with normal answers to their questions. However, ChatGPT falls short when it comes to understanding complex human emotions and conversational nuances. It is not capable of understanding subtlety or context, and cannot handle conversations that involve multiple topics. ChatGPT cannot also understand sarcasm or jokes, which are common features of human conversation. Additionally, ChatGPT is not able to provide personalized customer service, as it requires a large amount of data to work effectively. How to trick the ChatGPT. It is possible to deceive GPT generative pre-trained transformer models by feeding them erroneous information or in a language they do not comprehend. For example, inputting a random string of characters or giving them a wrong answer to a question. Another way to trick a GPT model is to provide them with incomplete sentences or incomplete information, which they may use to generate an incorrect response. Conclusion. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art language generation model that has the power to completely change how companies interact with their clients. It is possible to utilize it to automate time-consuming and repetitive processes, like answering commonly requested queries, giving individualized replies, and even producing content. It is also important for businesses to be aware of the ethical considerations when using this technology, such as ensuring that the model is not producing biased or offensive text. With the right approach, ChatGPT can provide numerous growth opportunities and improve the overall efficiency of a business. ChatGPT is a powerful tool, however, it cannot replace human thinking and may produce biased or offensive text when not fine-tuned properly. Consequently, it's crucial to utilize